Best mobile auto mechanic in San Bernardino, California. Pre-purchase used foreign car buying inspection service near me. Are you stuck at home, at your job, or on the side of the road needing assistance, or at an office or business parking lot because you have a car problem? Let our mobile auto car repair shops on wheels technician come or travel to you at any location to fix your car on site and get you back on the road ASAP. You don't need to call a towing company for your vehicle. We can assist you in San Bernardino by calling 909-487-5900 for faster service at your convenience. We also provide an affordable, independent third-party, pre-purchase vehicle inspection checkup service on spot at any local automotive dealership or private seller house or apartment. Whenever you want to buy a pre-owned car, truck or van from American, European, or German foreign import luxury, let us put our knowledge and years of experience to work for you. Give us a call at 909-487-5900. We specialize in solving problems. Best mobile auto mechanic in San Bernardino, California. Pre-purchase used foreign car buying inspection service and give you peace of mind.